Welcome to Random Entertaining Facts, Episode 1. Number 1. Albert Einstein was offered the presidency of Israel. Even though he was not an Israeli citizen himself, he was offered to be its president in 1952. He declined, however, stating, "I am deeply moved by the offer from our state of Israel, and at once saddened and ashamed that I cannot accept it." Einstein believed he was a man of objective matters, and therefore he would not be fit to deal with people and official functions. Number 2. Honey never spoils. Food going bad is caused by bacteria that multiplies and consumes the item themselves. But in the case of honey, it contains low amounts of water, and it is very acidic at the same time, creating an extremely inhospitable environment for bacteria to grow. Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still perfectly edible. Number 3. Koalas sleep up to 22 hours a day. Their diet consists exclusively of eucalyptus leaves, which offer so little nutritional value that they need to sleep almost the entire day to conserve energy. They refuse to eat anything that is not eucalyptus leaves attached to branches. If you put the same leaves on a plate and serve them as such, koalas will not see it as food. Number 4. The Oxford University is older than the Aztec Empire by over 3 centuries. Oxford began teaching students in 1096, while the Aztec Empire, which we tend to associate with the long-gone civilization, was founded in 1428, over 300 years later. This is one of many time-related illusions that we humans tend to fall for. We will cover more in another episode. Number 5. Ancient Romans used mouse brains as toothpaste. They believed that powdered mouse brains would enhance the overall effectiveness of toothpaste. But they didn't stop there. Another important ingredient in toothpaste was human urine, which they imported in large quantities from Portugal. It was valued for the high ammonia content as a tooth whitener. We are halfway through our list for today. The fact that you are still around means that you are at least somewhat enjoying this, so consider subscribing for more. Now back to the list. Number 6. 1 year on Pluto takes around 248 Earth years. Due to the huge distance away from the Sun, Pluto takes 248 years to complete one single revolution around the star. This means that, on Pluto, 1 year ago, the United States of America was just about to declare its independence. Number 7. Beavers' front teeth never stop growing. Beavers are well known for being able to topple large trees using nothing but their teeth. But if they had regular teeth like most other animals, they would wear down eventually and render this ability useless. So, beavers' teeth evolved to be softer, but grow continuously throughout their lifetime. One downside is that they need to gnaw on wood constantly, otherwise their teeth would grow too long, and this would create many problems. Number 8. Humans share about 50% of their DNA with bananas. This high similarity comes from the fact that many of the genes necessary for basic cellular functions, such as DNA replication, controlling cell cycle, or helping with cell division, are shared between many plants and animals. You can think of it as a cheeseburger and a bowl of ramen also being around 50% similar, because half of their basic ingredients are the same. Number 9. Ketchup was once sold as a medicine. In the 1830s, it was believed that tomatoes had pectin, lycopene, and other nutrients which had potent medicinal properties. The idea was proposed by Dr. John Cook Bennett, who claimed it would cure ailments like diarrhea, indigestion, and jaundice. Number 10. The Eiffel Tower was originally intended for Barcelona. Gustave Eiffel, the architect that designed the structure, originally submitted his design to Barcelona, but the city turned it down for aesthetic reasons. He then proceeded to pitch his idea to Paris, where he had better luck with it. It's weird to imagine that all we know about the iconic Eiffel Tower and Paris today could have never existed if Barcelona took the deal first. That was all for today. 2 clicks and we will be back with lots more entertaining fact videos. Have a great one.